Hey Fragrance fam, thanks so much for joining me today in the AFI Project Lab. As always, I'm Maddie and welcome to another melt and pour soap tutorial. So today I wanted to set out and make some exfoliating soap. So exfoliation is the perfect way to prep your skin for the spring and summer months so it looks sleek and smooth at the pool or beach or wherever you are. So complete with our refreshing Aurora Dawn fragrance oil, these are a fun and easy product to add to your line. So I'll stop yapping and let's go ahead and get started. So if you've never seen a natural loofah before, here is what a slice of one looks like. You might not actually have known this, but loofahs are actually a vegetable. They're related to pumpkins and other gourds, so that's your little fun fact for the day. When they're left to dry, they can be rough and fiber husk, which is what you see here, and they can be used in all kinds of bath and beauty products. So the husk can be sliced up into little discs, like I have right here, and it makes this really easy just to embed them in melt and pour soap bars, which is exactly what we're gonna do today. So go ahead, grab yourself or cut up some loofah slices, and then we're gonna go ahead and just pop these into our mold here. These silicone muffin molds are perfect, so if you have something like that on hand, go ahead and grab that. So we're just going to place each loofah slice into our mold cavity. Now let's go ahead and get our soap base ready. As you can see, I picked out a clear melt and pour soap so we can see the cute little loofah slices in the bar. Measure out enough to fill your molds and place it in a heat-safe mixing bowl to get it all melted down. Now you can use a double boiler for a slow, steady melt, or you can go ahead and just pop it in the microwave like I'm going to do just to speed things up a bit. So as you probably know by now, heat it in 30-second intervals to prevent any bubbling or scorching. We don't want that. And I'll check back in with you guys when my base is all nice and melted. Alright, so my soap is nice and liquidy, so we can go ahead and move on to our next steps. So I'm ready for fragrance and a pop of color. So I chose to go with our Aurora Dawn for our fragrance today. And guys, it's so bright and refreshing. It's just, it's so good. I love it. We're gonna stir in 3% concentration and we're gonna mix it thoroughly. And then after that, of course, we're gonna add a pop of color. So I decided to go with this beautiful orange dye. I'm just gonna do 2 drops, but you can do as many as you want to. Pour the soap all over the loofahs and try to fill every nook and cranny. We want the loofah slices to be embedded in the soap so they stay in place throughout the bar's use. It might float to the top, but that is okay. With each mold cavity filled up, spritz the top of the soap with some isopropyl alcohol to pop extra bubbles and leave them to harden. Melt and pour soap doesn't take too long to cool, only a couple of hours or so. So I'll check back in with you guys when they're ready to pop out. So here's my little loofah soaps. Popping them out of the molds is easy if you use a silicone muffing tray like I did. Of course, just go ahead, check them out. I think they look pretty cool if you ask me. So as they're used, the soap will cleanse your skin while the loofah gently rubs away dead skin cells and excess oil on your skin. It's pretty cute and practical. So what did you guys think of this tutorial? Do you want more melt and pour videos just like this in your feed? Let me know what you'd like to see us make next in the lab for more product ideas that you can add to your line. If you're not already a member of our Fragrance fam, subscribe and turn on your post notifications by ringing that bell icon. Also, don't miss out on all of our exclusive 10% off discounts that we drop every single week. Just heads up, head over to our web store and sign up for our newsletter. As always, I'm Maddie and thanks so much for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next video real soon. Bye!